So we're going to be replacing the door handle and the lock switch on a 2008 Pontiac Torrent. We got in a whole nother assembly from a parts car that we have. So as you can see, this lock switch a little bit broken, and this door handle doesn't open from the inside. And I'm going to guess that what the problem is, if you see on this parts one here, has this little clip that holds like a rod that and it locks it in place. I'm going to guess that this clip on the other one's broke, but as you can see, it opens up with the door handle there. So we're going to take the door panel off, replace this. Tools that you'll need, you got them laid out here. You're going to need a 10 millimeter. I have a long extension on a 1/4 inch. I have a T30 on a 3/8. Body trim removal tool, a gasket scraper, Phillips screwdriver, some gasket maker, and a little bit of tape. So what you're going to do first, you want to grab this trim removal tool, and we're going to want to take this this trim piece off right here. Just kind of get in between it. Kind of a little easy to get at. There we go. Pop it off. So if you look in here, we got a 10 millimeter behind that, another 10 millimeter right here in the front of that, and then you got this Phillips screw right here. So we'll take this Phillips, we'll get the screw. And it's nice to have a tool cart and kind of just set your bolts where you need to, but if you don't have one, I mean, it's nice just to keep them organized. Alright, take the trim piece off. So we're done with that. Take our 10 mil. You don't have to have such a long extension, but I do, I guess. That's what I had. So get this one inside the door. This other one here. There we go. Here it is. So take our trim removal tool again, and then I'm just going to pop off this upper piece and just disconnect this little speaker for now. And then what I like to do is it leaves a nice gap here where you can come in and pull on the door panel, kind of run your finger along the edge. You can hear it pop off the clip. You just kind of work your way around it. And then there you go. So this next part, the reason we have our gasket scraper, this foam sound deadening mat is held onto some gasket. I guess maybe somebody maybe was already in here, or no, it just kind of looks really old. Or no, it kind of maybe seems like somebody's in here already at some point, but I guess that's alright, it makes it easier for us. So what we're going to do here in the end process, the reason we have our gasket maker, is we're going to take and kind of just leave some little beads around the edge and then stick this back on the way that they would have had it from factory, just so we make sure we're doing everything right. So when we look here, yep, as you can see, this rod here is connected to the door handle. So that's kind of my guess is what was going on. And then our lock here, it might just be pushed out, but we have an extra one, so we're just going to replace it. So we're going to take our T30 here. Go ahead and get that off of there. Then what you do is you slide it to the left, and then there we go. Disconnect the old lock switch. No, it doesn't really seem like there's well, yeah, there it is. It the clip that retains this into place broke. One's broke on each side. On the sides here, you can kind of see. So good thing we're just going to replace the whole thing. No, that's for the driver. So what we do is just kind of there's a clip on the back side here for the locks, for the lock here. What we're going to do, get behind it and it's kind of a little bit of a pain, but you want to get on it and push it towards the inside of the door. All right, pull that out of there. And hold on, let's just check. Yeah, that whole other lock, the whole other there we go. We're looking at it the right way now. As you can see, not just the clip, but the whole other, just the inside door handle is broken altogether. So it's a good thing we have an extra one. So this upper rod, it goes for the lock, and then this lower one is for the door handle. So we're going to go ahead and get the one for the lock in place. After fighting with it for a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to get this lower one in place. The door handle. There we go, get that locked on. And then slide it back onto the right. Oh, make sure you got both sides on here. There you go. And we're going to lock these rods into place. There we go. You can hear it clicking on the inside here, so. And then we'll plug everything back in. maybe. There we go. Wanted to fight me. We'll go ahead and we'll put our T30 back in. Not really any torque spec on it. Just snug it down. Maybe just a little bit more. There we go. So, I think maybe what we'll do is I'll go grab the other one from that other car because it's not falling apart. And I'll put that other one on here. But we'll get this old stuff off too. See it? That's why I was trying not to rip that other one because this one's falling apart.